Hello everyone.
Welcome to the Edo Talk Show,
where you get the latest news and entertainment from Edo State and Nigeria in general. Please consider to subscribe, like, and also follow us on all our social media platforms
on the Edo Talk Show.
Thank you so much. See you later.
Hello my people, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to you all. Depending on when this video will reach you, I greet you with that time. The story for today na the road development when me and use my eyes see. Since I take the waka enter area, they see wetin dey happen. Both the road wey not good and the one way good, na me they talk about. Depending on the side you be, you must get reaction about anything you person do. So now wetin we see with that. So the story for today, now the road project when me I see with my eyes, when the government do. This time they come from Musheshe. Musheshe now for the come. Those of you don't know Musheshe. Musheshe dey upper Sokomba road. Now Musheshe dey. So when I reach that area, because those of you dey familiar with that road, I know say that road there, it fake cast. The road fake cast. They do the road for the benefit of the people when they that area. They will be happy say those road they do. Before I take you to that road matter, if you never subscribe to our partner YouTube channel, make you go subscribe because on that channel they show the matter where they go on for Nigeria. Because yeah, now mostly Edo. If you want to notice they go on for Nigeria, subscribe to that channel. The name now Nigeria News Play Station. That be the name. If you subscribe, still share the videos so they come from there because it's very important as well. Thank you so much, my people. Having said that, when you enjoy this video, leave your feedback, leave your comment. No attack each other because I say this one will attack this one, this one will attack this one. They will attack me when they talk. Just make it civil. Be at least make it civil. I will tell you I want to talk about that. Thank you so much, my people. And share this video after you watch it. Thank you so much and bye for now. This one is Musheshe. See the signpost. When I know it's not about to do it. I sample with that. So one go inside now. When I see her. So now Musheshe. So one see where the work for end, where the work reach. When I see the signpost, just when I show and say work was going on, and the government work there as well. So now the road be this. Now say speed brake there, speed breaker there, to limit the speed. You know, say, if you not put a speed brake now, yeah, now pian. Under 2 minutes, people don't reach where they go, and they know they slow down for people when they use let they waka, and which might cause accident for road. So now they can put that speed brake to limit the speed. See, I tied this one as well. Marvelous Hotel Road is tied. Okay, tell this somewhere there. So let's see where the road will end. If government they work like this, Edo go change. Edo go change. But if one coin not do anything, one coin not do anything, no go there. We'll see another one. This one tied as well. This somewhere. This one as well. This somewhere. So we are still going. See one teenager, one gutter there. See down to control the water. If all road now they all tie the major street, the lane at least people when they go the lane they'll come down for the junction like this now. They feel waka go their ass.
Yes.
So they feel waka go their ass. See they sit that one. They sit that one so. If all street like this when you're long, say they tie up. Complain not too much now.
Yes, even if that small.
Say not do those ones.
No problem. Not this major one where everybody follows. It's better.
It's better like that. See this one is in Naka. This somewhere. When they say it do this somewhere, I don't say many people still complain. Say when I know you do one finish.
You say why is it doing this?
Why is it doing this? When are you doing finish? No, people they say that half place, hey. Say the road just they go ahead. So me say me go put this job for my say sit down and reach somewhere there. Me say me go put this job as my own duty today to show and say work was done in this environment. Because what I can't understand for this governor body, you know to the show and for say what they do. In your belief saying you're doing, maybe they also they use you know your commissioner, but the road was done. Money you want a commission road, you know say at least you go see this place they do that thing. If you want to bring cameraman, bring all those media people who are paying here. In your belief, okay, me yours do work should be people should be enjoying the road instead of say okay, man I can't do this one, I'll do this one. I see that kind of principle see good, yeah. So I believe say now the road can't turn to 2 years. The tire that place reach somewhere. The tire reach somewhere. Now here for end. Yes. Now here for end, which is good. So we'll turn now. We'll turn on that. So now be that. So we'll turn. So my people say work was done in this area. That's not tip I been a keke na people. So my people say that the road be this. Now say from this side and the sun, the thing was a bit it clear past the other side just now. So when I get the view again from this side, those of you don't get the view properly before. You get the view properly now. So today, I must show now the places. So if you are just tuning in, if you're the journey now, this area now Musheshe. This is Musheshe, and the road was done by the state government, and the people in this area would they happy well say this road say the doing. After all, now the dividend of a democracy now be this. Say you work for the people we employ you. Now no say now we employ our governor. And also you just vote in. Now employment, we voted him to serve. May serve us well. And these people for this area now, they'll fit testify say really he served them well. Because this Musheshe road before, no go there, no go there. Now war zone. Now say as you don't see many hours now for not to know say the road no good. Now say that people can't do fence. They can't do fence to protect water may not enter their house. Yeah. That's to let you know say the road not good before at all. See the gutter, say it's deep. Say it's deep. Very deep. Say it's deep, eh? I beg any governor wants to come, I beg when I see do something. If you see do something, and that one see come, you go see do something. Like that, things go cool. Under 20 years, under 10 years, you say everywhere go change. So now be the matter and the Tory when me I bring on this time. And if you see down that area, when you see say government don't do it, you never show. If you see the world thing, still let us know. We'll still do our best. Still show you as well. Maybe you know say they still show you where you see me, they show you. So now be that to almost reach the junction. So now the junction of this one and this now the junction of this now we are moving to the junction of Musheshe and be this now for Paso Pomba. If you still say the governor sits there, leave a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up. Say I'm not business for this area. Say have your door open. Say if your door open for this area. Say the road come wide. This road leads to Abraka. This is not Bini Abraka road. All those Orion one, this road leads to them. Now behind me, up na third Kiosa here. This one Jesus Christ road.
Yes.
Now be that. So now be that. This one Ubekun school that year.
Yes.
Ubekun.